Check out the coolest woodworking tools on Amazon. Clever gadgets that make every project faster, easier, and more fun.
This contour gauge locks the profile instantly. No slipping or remeasuring. Its durable plastic pins scan up to 5 inches wide and 3/4 inch deep, then clamp in place with a lever for precise tracing. Whether you're fitting laminate or matching trim around heating pipes, you'll get flawless results every time. Building a pergola and tired of wobbly corners? The Toja Grid Trio corner bracket makes it rock solid. Crafted from heavy-duty steel with a weather-resistant finish, it securely locks your posts and beams together for lasting strength. Multiple fastening points keep everything square and stable, so your pergola stands strong season after season. Ever had your board slip while ripping wood? This smart push block locks it in place for total control. Its green podular surface offers exceptional grip, even in dusty conditions. The auto-retracting smart hooks grab the tail end of your workpiece, then retract mid-board for safer handling. Plus, the 90-degree flip guide lets you use it vertically for resawing or routing. Designed and made in the USA, it's perfect for table saws, router tables, jointers, and bandsaws. Cutting flooring or trim around odd shapes. The Jorest connectable contour gauge makes it simple. Just press it against the curve, lock it in place, and you've got the exact outline ready to trace. It connects from 5 to 15 inches wide, giving you flexibility for big or small jobs. Perfect for flooring, cabinetry, or any tricky cut. No more wasted time or material. Tired of guessing your cuts and angles? The Inequalite 4-amp mini circular saw makes it easy. Its built-in laser guide ensures straight, accurate cuts, while the adjustable cutting angle lets you tackle bevels up to 45 degrees. Powered by a 3,500 RPM motor, it handles wood, PVC, and laminates effortlessly. Compact, lightweight, and with a vacuum adapter, it's perfect for DIYers and home projects where precision matters. This is the Tytox 6-inch mini chainsaw, a compact powerhouse for trimming and pruning. With an 880-watt motor and manganese steel chain, it cuts through 6-inch branches effortlessly. It's lightweight, cordless, and easy to handle. Perfect for homeowners and DIYers who want clean cuts without heavy tools. Struggling to hold wood pieces perfectly at right angles? The 4-piece corner clamp set makes it easy. Made from durable aluminum alloy, each clamp features adjustable swing jaws and rotating nuts, securing corners of varying thickness. Non-slip rubber handles keep your grip comfortable, while precise alignment ensures clean, professional joints. Perfect for woodworking, cabinetry, and DIY projects. These clamps make every corner strong and accurate. This is the Arbortech Turbo Shaft, the ultimate attachment for freehand wood carving. It mounts right onto your angle grinder, turning it into a precision sculpting tool. With tungsten carbide teeth and an adjustable depth gauge, you can carve narrow profiles, letters, or deep grooves with total control. Safe blade design means no kickback, just smooth, accurate cuts. For woodworkers who want detail and power in one tool, this shaft is a game changer. Looking for perfect leveling without plastic shim drama? The Woodpecker's StableMax phenolic insert plate locks in flat without warping. Its phenolic surface stays stable, and threaded steel leveling rings let you fine-tune the height. No shims needed. Easy to install, durable, and precision-engineered for tabletop routers. The Masca Twin Pocket Hole Jig Kit fixes that instantly. Its dual jig design lets you drill 2 perfect holes side by side, while the built-in thickness gauge and depth stop remove all the guesswork. With hardened steel guides and quick magnetic adjustments, you get strong, clean joints every single time, whether you're building furniture or tackling a DIY project. Installing concealed European hinges doesn't have to be tricky. The Milescraft Euro hinge jig ensures perfect alignment every time. With edge alignment knobs, a metal drill guide, and built-in bushings, your hinge cup holes are straight and precise. The included marking guide and depth-setting fixtures make positioning easy, giving DIYers and pros professional results without guesswork. Need a sturdy workspace in seconds? The Keter folding workbench sets up in just a snap, folding flat for easy storage. Made with rugged polypropylene and weighted to stay rock solid under load, it handles sheet goods, sanding, and clamping with ease. Its compact design means serious strength without cluttering your workshop, your go-to support station. This is the Alloyman 5-inch Random Orbital Sander, built for smooth and flawless finishes. With a strong 350-watt motor pushing up to 13,000 RPM and 6 adjustable speeds, it gives you perfect control for any project. Lightweight and easy to handle, compact, powerful, and precise. This sander makes every surface feel professional. Ever waste time setting pocket hole depth manually? The Armor Auto Jig pocket hole system takes that out of your workflow. It automatically adjusts the drill guide and collar based on board thickness, uses a color-coded screw system for the right length, and its clamp grips tight without constant tweaking. Built-in dust collection keeps chips out of your way. If you build furniture or do cabinets, this jig gets you fast, accurate joints with way less fuss. Dull chisels slowing you down? The Oxtour sharpening guide gives them razor-sharp edges in minutes. Its wide roller keeps blades steady, while the adjustable clamp fits chisels and plane irons of all sizes. With the angle guide, you always get the perfect bevel, making sharpening fast, accurate, and repeatable. Meet the Ox Easy Start handsaw, designed for effortless cutting every time. Its unique triple ground teeth let you start cuts smoothly, without the usual struggle. The ergonomic handle gives a firm, comfortable grip, making long jobs easier on your hands. Whether it's wood, plastic, or general DIY work, this handsaw delivers precision and control. A reliable tool for pros and weekend projects alike. Want smooth edges without sanding forever? The Jorgensen 6.5-inch corner easing plane lets you ease corners in one pass. It's built robust, grips well, and delivers clean, rounded edges fast. Perfect when you want that finished look with minimal effort. The BGA-SNW Bench Dog Clamp locks securely in 3/4-inch dog holes, giving you a firm hold with just one hand. Its durable aluminum body and non-marking silicone pads protect your surfaces, while making routing, sanding, or cutting faster and easier. Perfect for pros and DIYers alike. This clamp keeps your projects precise and hassle-free.